And hey guys, it's me and Morgan over here today at the boardwalk, and as you can see, we're shooting another pool video for you guys. This is the main theme pool, the Luna pool, right next to the Leaping Horse Liberations, guys. Now I will shoot these pools 100 times over when nobody's in them. They're the best time to get down here when nobody's out there because the pools look the best. You got the little Mickey emblem right there. But as you guys are walking around, you grab a towel as you're coming in, grab a chair, grab an umbrella. If you guys get here early enough, you can grab an umbrella. I would recommend it because it gets hot down here. But look how this pool looks during the day when nobody's in it. This is how I like these big pools. A lot of times you come down in the past and these things are jamming, and it's just not fun, you know. It's cool to go up the slide a few times, but there's just too many people. But this is another look at the pool when you guys are looking around. There's your little wet bar out near the pool, the Leaping Horse Liberations there. It's cool because it makes you feel like you're at like Coney Island or something when you're out here, but this is at the boardwalk. There is still a lot of construction going on over here. But here's a look at one of the lifeguards. They'll be walking around. You got the slide. And this is like a really big pool. We've got a few of these posted. Remember, they do got the clown replaced with the Mickey and Friends sign right down there. We're going to make our way up here onto the stairs so you guys get a look from up above down at the pool. Now that is a big old pool. This is a nice shape, a nice size. It is, I'm going to say it's not my favorite pool, but I'm starting to warm up to it a lot just because of how big it is and the shapeliness of it. Now, I actually have never, I've been in the pool, but I've never been down the slide. I think that when I was here, it was years back when I stayed and had the opportunity to go down the slide, but I think they were doing some work on it, or it was shut off, so we weren't able to go down, and that's back when the clown was there. No diving. Make sure you guys aren't diving. They don't like that. Make our way around the pool to give you an idea how big this place is. And it's like a roller coaster. The slide is like a big old roller coaster coming down. If you guys are looking for shots of the kiddies, this is the spot you want to stand as they're coming out of the slide. You can see it's only 3 foot 4 inches deep right there. They're always posted on the pools. We like to get that in every video because we always get people asking us, how deep are these pools? But that gives you an idea. And they've got a little kid section over here next to the little kiddie. It's like a little kiddie pool in there. And you've also got the kiddie area playground behind that. So this is a big layout here for any resort. This is a pretty big area to come in. And it keeps the little ones off to the side. So you can walk right away from all the people and let the little ones have some fun out here. But here's a look at the back of the resort. Absolutely beautiful resort looking at this place. You know, it's always the same when I come over here. It's a beautiful, beautiful resort. It's laid out nicely, and you can just walk around. Even in the lobby, you just never get tired. You always see something new. And over here, we got the life jackets as always. You got the little floaties right there. There's your slide coming down one more time. And always pay attention to these video guys. We always like to put these smaller videos out, not included in the resort tours. If you guys can't find them, go to thecountrybeartours.com. Click on your favorite resort. We always have the pool posted in there. But this is another one of the small pools, guys. We're going to see you in a few.